Hi, my name is Dan and I'm with FlyPaper Technologies. I'm one of the people behind FlyPaper Daily, a superintendent daily reporting tool that we make here at FlyPaper. FlyPaper Daily, again, a superintendent daily reporting tool, easy to use, cross-platform. We have given a real focus to its ability to run on multiple devices simultaneously, making the experience seamless and easy regardless of what device type you're on. It's easy for a wide range of workers on job sites to use, from a foreman to a superintendent to a project engineer. Everyone who's been using our application for the last year or so has had quite a bit of success, and we're looking forward to taking a few minutes to kind of explain to you one of the cool features of FlyPaper Daily, and it's about tags and the way that we leverage tags to help you organize your work logs in your report. So what am I talking about here? I'm talking about how you can leverage FlyPaper Daily to organize the different work logs and the different basic units of work that are conducted on the job site each day, and able to organize that using our tagging system. So if you look here at this report, here's a pretty standard FlyPaper Daily report. It's got your basic weather information about today. And it gives you some totals that are pretty meaningful, like your total workers and the total labor hours that have happened on the job site so far to date. As you scroll down, you'll start to see a breakdown by company of what work has been done. And this is a typical layout for a FlyPaper Daily report. But one thing that's uniquely different about this from, let's say, a typical report is the fact that the tagging system has been leveraged when creating these work logs. So you'll notice that Barton Mallow Interiors, for instance, this particular contractor, you see the regular totals, but you'll also notice that there was something called tagged just simply interiors. And then you'll see the information, you'll see what building, if the building was associated with it, and then based on that, this particular work log that was entered, this was the total number of hours and the crew size. Scroll down a little bit further, and we actually, FlyPaper Technologies in this example is also one of the contractors on this particular demo job site. Except for this contractor is offering multiple services, for instance. Many different trades are being used by this contractor, and so what I've decided to do is now organize the different work logs for the different crews underneath this company and organize them by using tags. So you'll notice that, okay, we have totals for this company. A total number of people of 15 have worked on the job site today, accumulating 100 labor hours. Just that company. But as I scroll down further, I now see a breakdown. Okay, in safety, this is how much work was done in safety. In concrete, this is what was done in concrete and the total amount of people and the crew size, crew hours, and labor hours that were accumulated just for that tag, or in this particular example, that trade. You see the same thing with electrical. You see the same thing with the mechanical tag. This really just kind of gives you a chance to see just how organized you can make your daily reports. It makes it really easy for you to kind of just with your eyes quickly look at the PDF that is generated and grab the specific information that you're looking for. Okay, so how did we do this? Well, I'm going to switch back over here to daily. And that report that you just saw was generated directly from what you see here on the screen. This is the FlyPaper Daily app, the web version of it. And it's simple enough. It's got all the work logs are grouped by the subcontractor or contributor that is working on the job site. So here on this project, we have 3 companies that are involved. We have Barton Mallow Interiors, we have FlyPaper Technologies, and we have a company called Long Mechanical. Now, as we click on each of them, for instance, Long Mechanical, you'll see that there's one work log and a tag of mechanical was added to it. And a crew size of 6, crew hours 5, and a basic description. We even assign a nice little building, really neat. Okay, now we have FlyPaper Technologies here, and you'll notice that it says that there's 5 crews. So that's 5 different groups of individuals who did work for this company today. If I click on it, you'll notice that each one of the work logs has a tag associated with it. So this one has our safety tag. This one here is the concrete work that was done, and we actually tagged it concrete. And see here, you can see that these are all the different tags that exist for this company. You'll notice them here. You could easily add or switch. So you could have multiple tags also. You don't have to just have one tag per work log. You could have a tagging system that has multiple tags. Going down further, again, here's our electrical example, another mechanical example. And let's say really quick, we want to add another one. Okay, so we'll go here and we'll just add a work log like we normally would. Select what company it's for. And a work log editor comes up. We'll say this one was some electrical work that Barton Mallow Interiors did. Let's say that maybe just 2 people came in. They worked all day. Worked on electrical on floor 4. All right, cool, that's simple. So now we've added another work log underneath this company. So now there's 2 crews that have conducted work here. And then at any time, if I want to see the report, I just click on the download button and click on what report I'm trying to generate. Right now, I want to generate a daily report because that's what we're actually talking about. But you could have been following this process all week, and you could download a weekly report. You could download a monthly report if you've been following this process all month, and you'll get some really meaningful, results in your report. And I think that is actually something that I want to elaborate on for just a second. That's really what tags is about. It's really about how you want to look at your report. And that is generally what I tell customers when I'm helping them set up their projects and I introduce the concept of tags. I say, well, how do you want your report to look? I'm like, well, what do you mean? And I'm saying, well, what information are you really trying to get out of this PDF report that you're passing around to your subcontractors, or that you're sharing with people within your own organization? And once I start to explain that, and then I say, okay, so now begin to experiment with tags. Start to find ways that you want to leverage tags. Like, for instance, I want to leverage tags for breaking up trades, skills. In other examples, people used to use tags to organize the buildings that they're working on, our particular quadrant on a job site that this particular work log was related to. And that's another one. Also, if you need to track diversity hires, that's something that you could also use. It's really limitless to the possibilities of things that you can tag. That's why we've kept it very simple and extremely generic. You enter the tag you want, call it whatever you want. You can have as many tags as you want per work log, and then really play with the results inside of the report, and you'll start to see how those tags start to make things more meaningful in that report. All right. Again, I hope this was really useful. I hope this gave you an introduction into tags, and looking forward to working on the next FlyPaper Academy video. Talk to y'all soon.